Today, and not tomorrow, we're going to Sichuan to try one of its most interesting dishes ever, and actually a very easy one to make.
第干煸四季豆, 干煸, which is dry fry. 四季豆, which literally means four-season green beans.
And to tell you the truth, the Four Seasons sort of green beans kind of concept does not really take its name from the Four Seasons hotel chain, but it's more to do with the fact that this dish is actually containing some green beans, the vegetables you can find at any time of the year, and basically, in all the four seasons. So, how about we get started here? Let's go! And here we've got the beans. These are called actually string beans. And guess what? They have a string inside that we're going to remove in a second. But we're going to remove the heads off like this. So you don't want to eat this one. That's going to be nasty, too firm. You don't like this.
Let's start with a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil into a preheated wok. Stir the beans occasionally and make sure you get that kind of roasted texture. Take them out and set aside. Time for some cutting. The main aromatics here are ginger and garlic. Two ingredients I seem to put in literally anything I eat.
I was forgetting the chilies, dried chilies, and we're gonna cut them into pieces, and we're gonna get rid of some of the seeds if you don't like the dish to be too spicy.
Let me introduce you now to the real game changer here. This is yibing yacai, known as preserved mustard greens. You can find these in any Asian grocery stores around you.
Alright, so we're gonna use some water to wash them, reducing the salt.
Put the preserved greens into a pan without any oil and gently stir fry until fully dried. You want to get rid here of any excess water.
No, guys, this is the deal. You're gonna give us some, encouragement here. Put a like in here, it's gonna help us out with the algorithm in YouTube, and hopefully, we're gonna get more subscribers, more views, we're gonna build a community, we're gonna go to the moon. Cakes.
Let's get going. Couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil into a preheated wok. Sichuan peppercorns, red ones, and go with a quick stir. Let the peppercorns infuse with the oil and remove them. Extra aromatics in garlic and ginger. Time for the minced pork.
As you can see, we have some abundant portion of fat. We don't want to have this dish to be too dry. We want to preserve the meaty flavor by using some of the fat in here. You can still use beef or even mushrooms if you're vegetarian.
Pinch of salt in. Then gently stir, and let's give this dish some Sichuan character, shall we? Dry chilies and yacai in. Oh yes! At this point, it's almost impossible to resist from trying this. Get down your spoon and get straight to Sichuan with just a bite. At this point, you could even forget about the beans and go straight with some rice in here. But no, this is not fair for the beans. Get them in and stir gently. Look at these spectacular colors. Second pinch of salt, and look at these colors. Okay, I probably exaggerated with the meat, but hey, the muscles to take care of. Final round, sugar, Shaoxing wine, and soy sauce.
And of course, the sesame oil.
Remember to do this from the border of your wok. Heat on and let these ingredients melt with the beans. I gotta be honest with you, this is one of the dishes that I basically eat at least once a week in all local restaurants in Chengdu and all over China. This recipe is of course, gone not just national, but also international. What to say? Not much really. Get the steamed rice ready. Go for it.
Oh my!
You can really feel the crispiness of the crunchiness of the beans. At the same time, you can feel the umami coming from the meat as well as from the soy sauce that we put inside, but of course, most important of all, from the yacai. You shouldn't be getting rid of the chilies because you're gonna get the extra kick that is going to definitely make this dish even more tasty. Yeah, my name is Luca and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye! Okay guys, so if you enjoyed the video, if you like to see more of our recipes, we hope that we can share that with you. We can build a community of, you know, Chinese food passionates and, you know, whoever likes making great food at home. We love to see into the traditions. We love to share these with you. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel